There's a new table in the dining area of the CINO Grille.
It's important for everyone to see this.
This table should always be left vacant.
It is the POW-Mia missing person table.
We're honored to be here today.
The display was dedicated as members of the Coastal Carolina University community gathered with representatives of Disabled American Veterans Chapter 30 from Myrtle Beach. It's designed to commemorate service members who were prisoners of war or listed as missing in action.
It's really important to signify to this younger generation that there are people that paid that sacrifice.
Each element included in this exhibit carries symbolic meaning.
Everything on there is all part of this effort to respect them and give them the honor that they deserve.
By hosting this table, CCU further cements its connection to veterans.
Coastal Carolina University values our military culture. They value what veterans do for us.
In addition to donating the table, DAV Chapter 30 also contributed $1,000 to veteran services. Following the dedication, the problem of veteran suicide received attention as people marched around campus to raise awareness.